Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Astranova token. Ticker symbol is RVV. Now this is a brand new token that was just announced is getting a huge central exchange listing starting March 25th. People are excited and anticipating this big listing here, and we're going to go over the information on the Astranova token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, their webpage is astranova.world. And it says, join the Astranova RVV presale and join the next AI revolution. Secure your RVV before the next price surge. And then they have a code for the presale that you could copy. You can click buy now. So this is all on their webpage that I just mentioned, astranova.world. You click on buy now, it'll take you over to gems.vip/Astranova, where you could buy the presale, and it says round ends 2 days, 23 hours, 15 minutes, 30 seconds, so it's got a countdown. So right now this presale is going on gems.vip. So if I click buy now, we'll see what happens here. So it takes you over to buy astranova.gems.vip. Then you put in the code that you got from the webpage, and then you can continue from there, and you can get involved with this presale. But besides that, it also was just announced they're getting a very big central exchange listing starting exactly March 25th, it says. It says that they just posted this at Mexc_listings. They have a picture of Astranova. It has the date, and it says a new project is launching on Mexc. Drop your guesses below. And of course, everyone's guess is Astranova RVV token, because that's what it is. And if you go over to Astranova's Twitter, which is right here, at Astra__Nova, they retweeted that. So, I mean, it's pretty obvious that that is the big listing. So, if you don't have an Mexc global account and you're looking to get this token after the pre-sale is over, or trade it after the pre-sale is over, I do have an Mexc global referral code down there in the description box. All you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then on March 25th, when this token gets listed, go into the trade section, search ticker symbol RVV, and then simply just buy the token. There's going to be more announcements coming up as it gets closer to that date. Now it says Astranova is an AGI-driven gaming ecosystem that evolves with player behavior, redefining immersion and interactivity. As an Nvidia Inception partner, we fuse AI-driven storytelling, Web3 technology, and community-driven design to deliver immersive dynamic experiences. Backed by the Shiba army, we blend cultural depth and innovation to redefine interactive entertainment and lead the next generation of AI gaming ecosystems. NPCs and monsters powered by advanced AI adapt and grow, crafting personalized quests and dynamic challenges. Developed on Unreal Engine 5, the game seamlessly integrates AI, UGC features, RWA rewards, and transmedia storytelling to offer immersive narratives across platforms in a universe on the brink of destruction. Astranova, the go-to market strategy. So Astranova is truly unpredictable infinitely replayable role-playing game where artificial intelligence adapts to non-player characters, enemies, and quests in real time, delivering a personalized and ever-evolving experience. They have the AGI-driven immersion. NPCs, monsters, and quests dynamically adapt to player behavior, creating personalized challenges and evolving narratives powered by cutting-edge AI. Industry-leading expertise with a team of 80-plus veterans from Nvidia, Ubisoft, Rockstar, and more, creators behind GTA 5, Mortal Kombat, and Assassin's Creed, Astranova is redefining gaming and AGI innovation. Powered by artificial intelligence, our ecosystem integrates generated content, transmedia storytelling, and real-world asset rewards to create a seamless and dynamic gaming universe. They have the live ecosystem and products. Astranova is live with gameplay tests, a loyalty questing platform, a Telegram game, and a webtoon dApp, all powered by Nvidia AI and poised for rapid growth. AI empowers our community to shape the game through content creation, player-driven economies, and evolving narratives, making every decision impactful and meaningful. And community-centered rewards. Early adopters earn RVV airdrops, real-world asset vouchers like Nike, Starbucks, tokenized diamonds, driving engagement, and loyalty. Now, if you go to the gems.vip page, they do have 5 of their team members on there with their pictures, full names, job titles, and background. Now, the tokenomics for this token says there is a total supply of 10 billion tokens. 12% of the tokens will go to the team and advisors with a 12-month cliff, 18 months vesting. 18% goes to private investors, it says 8% TGE, 3 months cliff, 11 months vesting. 55.5% of the tokens will go to the community and ecosystem, which is split up between ecosystem rewards, TGE, and presale. 5% goes to exchange liquidity, and 9.5% goes to marketing and development. Now, this token here, their webpage, if you go to astranova.world, that's where you can get involved with the presale right now. It says backed by the Shiba Inu Army and Nvidia Inception partner. It's got play now for free button, and you can visit Epic. It says available on PC at the Epic Store, coming soon to Xbox and PlayStation. So this is a huge project getting listed soon on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.